Welcome to an urban hiker journey, taking you from the heart of the knowledge, the Cincinnati Public Library, all the way to the cozy charm of the Flatiron Café. Along this route, you will pass through a piece of Cincinnati's fabric, a path connecting space of learning, history, and community. We begin at the Cincinnati Public Library. More than just a place to borrow books, our library is an anchor in the community, a sanctuary for everyone. It's a resource full of untapped potential, workshop, career resource, creative space, gathering room that are open to all. The Cincinnati Public embedded the urban hiker spirit. The library is a perfect example how cities can invest in a community asset, space that give back, educate, and connect. And this is one of those many gems Cincinnati offers for personal growth, connection, and inspiration. As we leave the library, our path takes us from the heartbeat of the city. We will take the Main Street stairs, a symbolic passage of rising from knowledge to experience. Each step feels like initiation into a new part of the city's rhyme. A transition from quiet study hall to the lively street of the unique local businesses. Those walks are about more than just getting from one point to the other. They're about opening up, seeing the city in contracts, and bridging connection across different lives and stories. Whether you are Cincinnati native, a visitor, transplant, this journey lets you feel the layer of the city, from the bustling downtown avenue to the hiding alleyways that tell their own story. As we approach the Flatiron Café, we will experience a slide what makes Cincinnati vibrant and connected. This walk is a reminder that cities are meant to be experienced on foot, where you can see others, see, feel, and engage. Urban hikers are exactly that, creating moment where people from all walks of life can come together, discover, and make the city feel like home. Thank you for joining us on this ride. Remember, Cincinnati has many stories to share. All you have to do is walk.